Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here. I am Shay with the Pow Pow. If it take a second to subscribe, also make sure to smash like button, support your girl. So listen, as far as my midweek, this video is not going to go up till tomorrow. We had to take Josiah to urgent care. He has really bad allergies and he has asthma too, so yeah, we had to take him to urgent care. So he's been out of school this whole week so far. He probably won't even go back, and then they go on vacation next week too, so he'll be out for a while. Last time we had to take him down the hill. It was an MLM's ride, and he had to get treatment, and so we definitely don't want it to get that bad with him. And so with that being said, I need 15 offers for $5. I also have the larger bonus as well. I need less for the larger bonus, so if I can't get my midweek, I'm not gonna trip on it. We did get new, we didn't get new surveys for Flavor Wiki, but we did get some retakes and some resets. I got 9 on both accounts. And so with the retakes, that's just them saying, hey, you could do it again. All right, you have to go purchase the product again and you do the survey again. With Flavor Wiki, if you don't get paid, like if you don't get that email saying here's your money within a week or so after you've submitted, definitely reach out to support. Don't let it go too long. Like, their customer support is pretty awesome. They've always been more than helpful. Sometimes it's an easy fix. Sometimes you just got to resend a picture of the item or a picture of the receipt. I know last week I had to send them another copy of the receipt because maybe I sent them the wrong one. I don't know. But they were able to fix that for me and change my invalid submission to, you know, what I earned back. So yeah, retakes, you can do it again. And then the resets, obviously, are just resets. They're both, to me, they're both the same. I noticed the retakes this time don't have an actual expiration date. I would just do them ASAP. Other than that, you guys, we're going to hit a Walmart. We're going to speak up awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you're ready to do, dang, hit the like button. Dang, hit the like button. And keep on watching. All right, so the first deal is on the Ocean's Halo ramen noodles. One of you guys had sent me a comment to see if this would work on Checkout 51 because you have 2 separate offers. So I thought I would give it a try. And I grabbed this one here, the ramen noodles, priced at $3.34. For that, we're grabbing a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $6.68 out of pocket. If you get back just the one offer, which would be $3.34, it would make them $1.67 each. So I'll let you guys know if it works for both. All right. So this next deal is on the Proper Good. It's on the overnight oats. They're priced at $2.98. We do have a free offer for aisles. We also have $1 back on Ibotta, making this a $1 moneymaker. All right, y'all. So look, we got some more. Okay, I know we don't need no more oatmeal, but look, listen. We're not opening every single one we get. We only need to open one. We don't need to have a gazillion open. Open one, do your survey, donate the rest. That's what I'm doing because Lord knows I don't need that much oatmeal. So we got some resets. We got some retakes. I think I got like 9 I have to get. 4 of them are duplicates. I have the Quaker Oats twice. I have the Bob's Red Meal, the quick cookie one. I have that one twice. And then I have the Kroger. There's 2 different ones. I have those twice as well. And so gonna grab this one here. It's priced at $4.57. And for this, we're getting back 11 on Flavor Wiki. It's gonna make that a $6.43 moneymaker. Quick cookie one and the old-fashioned one, they're both priced at $6.58, and for that we're getting back $13. So it's gonna make each one of those a $6.42 moneymaker. So you see why we're doing oatmeal. Like, we might not need the oatmeal, but look, we all need money. And so yeah. All right, next up is the Quaker lightly salted rice cakes. These are priced at $3.64. We're getting back 7 on Flavor Wiki, so it's gonna make this a $3.36 moneymaker. Now I also have one for the Quaker Rice Crisps right here. And these are priced at, I want to say $3.98. For this, I'm getting back $8 on Flavor Wiki. So it's going to make these a $4.02 moneymaker, which I'm actually excited. It's on the cheddar ones, which obviously they don't have any. And those are like my favorite. And so, yeah. All right. So this next deal is on the Lunchables. I've had this OTC forever and I'm barely getting around to doing it. It's only because my big head don't like Lunchables. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab one for the cousins when they come over. And so they're priced at $187. There's an OTC coupon. It's gonna make it absolutely free. If it's still available, I'll link it. I know Amy shared it a while ago, but I don't know if it's still available. All right, so I went ahead and did the Febreze again since it just wants to keep on resetting. It's just a gift that just keeps on giving. So we're grabbing a total of 2 of them. We'll pay $6.48. We do still have 2 offers that are attaching. I'm getting back $3.50 for my Ibotta. I also have $1.25 on Fetch that I'll get back as well, bringing these down to 86 cents each. Deal is on the farmer's market. Marinated meat. I got this offer on Field Agent again. So you're gonna grab one. You'll get the price of that back plus $3, making this a $3 money maker. All right, so this next deal is on the Zoli Pops, and there's also one for the Sour Zappy Taffy. They're priced at $7.32. We have a free offer. Well, it's not free, almost free. Offer on WeStock for $6.47. So it'll make them only 85 cents each, and there is one for each particular one, and I'll have links in the description. I'm gonna be grabbing the Sheba selections again. They're priced at $1.58. For this, you want to grab a total of 4 of them. I've been trying to stock up on these for my sister because she just got a second cat. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab a total of 4 of them. I'll pay $6.62 and get back $4 on Fetch Reward, making them only 58 cents each. All right, y'all. So this next deal is on the Arm & Hammer. For this, you could either grab this. Well, you could grab this one, or you could grab where's it at? The deep clean as well. There's $2 peelies on these. And so I think I'm going to grab the sensitive one. It's more loads. It's 105 loads. It's priced at $7.97. I'm going to use this $2.
I don't even know if it would work on that window now that I think about it. Because it says 75. I'm not even sure if this would work. We'll try and see if it
works. If it does, we'll pay $5.97. We'll get back $4 on Ibotta. Makes it $1.97, which is definitely not bad. And it's a limit of 1. So I'll see if it works on the sensitive skin one. If not, then perhaps I'll grab maybe this one right here. So, all right, so this next deal is on the Ensure Max Protein. It's priced at $3.98. This popped back up on Ibotta, so you'll get that back. It's also available for Walmart Rewards as well, so I went ahead and grabbed one over there as well. Now, I do have a second Walmart account. I think I'm going to start using that only for free things, and so I definitely grabbed a third one as well. All right, so this next deal is on the Dove. It's on the whole body. It's on the smaller ones. They're priced at $5. The store doesn't have any more. For this, you're going to grab one. You'll get that back through Ibotta, making it absolutely free. And of course, you grab one for Walmart 1 and Walmart 2. Now, we also have a offer on Fetch Reward that's spend 15, get back 3. So it's going to make all 3 of them free plus a $3 moneymaker. This next deal is on the True Skin. I want to try this deal, but I'm not sure if it's going to work. You'd have to grab this one here, hyaluronic acid one. Is priced at $14.68. For that, you're grabbing a total of 2 of them. The total is going to come to $29.36. Now, I did print 2 $3 coupons from coupons.com this morning, and that'll bring the total down to $23.36. Getting back $5 for each on Ibotta, plus a $1 bonus for buying 2. There's also $9 back on Swagbucks, making them $168 each. I would check Fetch. I don't have it on Fetch, but Fetch normally has this. And so, yeah. All right, y'all. So next up is the Colgate toothbrushes. We have an offer for the Optic White. There's one for the white one, and there's one for the double pack, the black one. They're priced at $9.96, getting back $6. Would make it $3.96 for a double pack. There's also one for the charcoal single, priced at $5.96, getting back $4 for that one, so it'd make that one $1.96. We also have one on the foaming clean, priced at $4.96, getting back $2 for Ibotta, $2 for Swagbucks, making that 96 cents. And then last but not least, we also have one for Colgate Total. It's priced at $3.96, getting back 2 on Ibotta and 2 for Swagbucks, making that a 4-cent moneymaker. This last deal, Justin let me know that it's still working. It's still double dipping on the Sister app, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. Now I'm going to say, pre-warn you, it's not actually scanning for the $5 offer. It's only scanning for the $9 offer, but I'm hoping that when I submit my receipt, it'll pick it up. But I'll let you know what the numbers are based on if it doesn't pick it up. And so for this, we're going to grab a total of 2 of the Airborne. They're priced at $8.37. You'll pay $16.74. You'll get back $9 for buying 2 on Swagbucks, $1 for one of them on Ibotta. Would make it $2.07 for each one. Now, if the extra 5 comes off, it'll be about a 85-cent moneymaker. Now, let me just tell y'all, these for her, these are so good. I just hate that there's only 21, which is like 7 days. But these are so good. And like 3 is a serving size. They taste just like gummies to me. I ain't even joking. But I'll let you guys know if this deal works out. All right, y'all. So listen, we're at Sprouts again. I did have to return the box of the all-in that I got in my last trip to Sprouts. So I figured why not make this trip really worth it and see what other deals I can grab while I'm there. So this first one here is on the junk list, protein bars. Now for this, you do have to get specific flavors. I grabbed the cake and the cookies and cream. They are priced at $2.29. You want to grab 3 of them. You end up paying $6.87. You'll get back $1 for each one I bought, plus a $2.75 bonus for buying 3. Bringing them down to only 37 cents each. Now, I went ahead and just maxed it out and grabbed 5. I think it brought them down to about 74 cents. All right, so next up is the Cravings mix. They have the cookie mix, the pancake mix. I finally found a store that had these. They're priced at $6.69. We have a free offer on aisle, making this absolutely free. Now, we also have a buy one, get one free offer and a 50% back offer. So definitely make sure that you activate the correct one. Next up is the all-in-one bars. Now, last time I was here, I grabbed the box instead of the single one. And so for aisle, I did get back $2.99. So I went ahead and returned that one and grabbed the single bar price at $1.67. We have a free offer on aisle. We also have a free offer on Social Nature. So it'll be a $1.67 moneymaker for you. Next up is the Lenbert's rice cakes. These are priced at $5. You want to get one of the lightly salted ones. You'll get back $7 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $2 moneymaker. Now, definitely don't forget to check aisle as well as Social Nature. You might still have a free offer there. All right, we definitely saved the best for last. It's on the cactus water, the Cali water. I finally found this, you guys. It's priced at $1.50 and it glitched for me, which was a pleasant surprise because I didn't expect it to. When I submitted my receipt, it said $1.50 back, but once it processed, I got like a notification 4 times for $1.50, and I thought it was just a glitch. Sometimes my phone will do that. And I checked my Social Nature account, and sure enough, I got back $6. So you're grabbing one at $1.50. Again, I did get back a total of $6, making this a $4.50 moneymaker. I did get the watermelon flavor, so I think I'm going to grab one on Joseph's account today and see if it glitches again. All right, y'all. So here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really good. What you don't see on the table is on the floor. Went ahead and got more of the bread. The 2 loaves were 50 cents back on Ibotta, and the rolls, the yeasty ones, were 75 cents back. But I had to put a ticket in for this one on Ibotta because for some reason it's not reading the barcode, the clearance sticker barcode. So I had to put a ticket in for that. So I was short one offer, so I had to do a gift card. So as far as coupons, the True Scan printable did not work. I did go to self-checkout. The coupon for the Arm & Hammer didn't work either. I did try the $3 peelie that I have, and I tried the $2 one. Neither worked. And I'm pretty sure the $2 one would work on the smaller ones, obviously. I was just really trying to get more ounces for the $1.97. So maybe in my next haul, I'll grab Arm & Hammer if it's still available. But as far as today, that didn't work. And True Skin didn't work. The Airborne, that one did go into review. Both offers went into review, the one for $9 and the one for $5. If that works out, I'll pin a comment for you. Now, it was scanning for the $9 offer, so if I don't get the 5, I'm still gonna keep those because it still makes them like $2 each, which to me is still not bad. I mean, it's not a moneymaker, it's not free, but it's still not necessarily bad. And this is a nice moneymaker haul anyways. So free is free, free is free. I think that's basically it. It looks like most of my receipts have processed on Flavor Wiki. The retakes, those went straight through pretty much. I'm just waiting for the notification emails. Hopefully they'll hit by the end of this week. Hopefully before the weekend would be nice. We stock said, I think 24 to 48 hours. I have a ton of receipts, you guys. Look. A ton. So I'm going to try to run through this. Oh, and that was the meat that I got. I ate the other pack already. So everything you see here retails $202.16. We had $3.74 in coupons. That was just the OTCs for the Lunchables. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $198.42. I have 10 or 11 apps, you guys, that we did for this haul. All right, so Flavor Wiki is the winner chicken dinner. $112 back there. Field Agent is $47.98. Ibotta $42.23. Walmart Rewards was $25.96. That was between 2 accounts now. Aisle is $16.30. Swagbucks $13. WeStock $12.94. Best Reward $12.25. Checkout 51 $9.50. Easy Bucks was $4. Social Nature is $3.17. So you walk away with a total of $299.33 back in rebates. It makes everything that you see here free plus $100.91, which is awesome. So awesome. Really quick with the Ocean's Halo. Okay, so I did that deal yesterday. I submitted for both offers on Checkout 51. It picked up one this morning, and I went ahead and said, you know, let's just try what we do on Swagbucks. I'll resubmit the receipt for the second offer. I did that, and it went straight through. So I did get both offers doing it like that. I also had an offer for buy one, get one free for Aisle. It wasn't working yesterday. I activated this one offer for Aisle. It's buy 2 items, get this seaweed chips or whatever they're called free. I scanned it for that offer, and it did give me back $3.34, I want to say. So that ended up being a moneymaker as well, which was really cool. Other than that, I think that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on the way out the door. I want to see pancakes in the comments if you made it to the end. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.